The Vivo X300 Ultra is gaining massive attention again today, as new updates continue to reveal more about this powerful flagship. After its early showcase at Mobile World Congress 2026, the device is now closer to launch, and it's clear that Vivo is focusing heavily on camera innovation, premium design, and top-tier performance. Let's dive into the latest updates as of today. Welcome to my technological world. Hit the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel. Now introducing Vivo X300 Ultra. Let's have a look. The Vivo X300 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most powerful smartphones of 2026. Today's updates suggest that Vivo is finalizing key features, especially focusing on camera innovation and premium user experience. The biggest highlight remains its next-generation camera system. The phone is expected to feature a high-resolution main sensor designed to capture extremely detailed images with improved clarity and better low-light performance. Alongside this, the device may include a periscope telephoto camera that supports long-range zoom. One of the most talked-about features is the external telephoto lens system, allowing users to attach an additional lens for extended zoom capability. Early demonstrations suggest that the phone can capture distant subjects with impressive detail, making it feel closer to a professional camera setup. The Vivo X300 Ultra is once again in the spotlight today, with fresh updates revealing more about its camera power and flagship performance. After its early appearance at Mobile World Congress 2026, the device is moving closer to launch, and it's clear that Vivo is aiming to redefine smartphone photography. Here's everything updated as of today in simple and clear terms. The Vivo X300 Ultra is expected to come with a large OLED display with a smooth refresh rate, offering bright colors and fluid performance. This makes it ideal for watching videos, gaming, and everyday use. In terms of performance, the phone is expected to include a flagship-level processor that can handle heavy tasks easily. From gaming to multitasking, users can expect fast and smooth performance. The device is also likely to come with high RAM options, making it future-ready for demanding applications and AI features. Battery life is expected to be another strong point. The phone may include a large battery designed for full-day usage, even with heavy camera and video use. Fast charging support will ensure quick power-ups when needed. The Vivo X300 Ultra is clearly aiming to become a next-generation camera flagship. With its advanced zoom system, premium green design, powerful performance, and strong battery life, it has all the features needed to stand out in 2026. The Vivo X300 Ultra could easily become one of the top camera smartphones in the market, especially for users who love photography and premium design. Now you can see a price list of Vivo X300 Ultra with different specifications on worldwide. So guys, this is fresh information about new Vivo X300 Ultra. I hope you liked this video. For more watching the videos, hit the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel, My Technological World. Thanks for watching.